What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will be my 7th winter break vlog, and that will be about my day life on the final day of the J-Tone class. And today is Friday. Here's my schedule for today. I start my day with J-Tone class. I do have a lot of things to do for this class because today is a final day for this course. So I have one quiz, one lab, and then exam. So I have a lot of things to do, but I can still do it, right? And after finishing my class, I'm going to go to the music building. I need to do some organizing the band room, and then I need to move some music stands. So I'm going to do that after that. So we can ready for classes starts next week. So I'm going to be working on in the music building for band room organizing. So that will be happening after my class. And then after that, I'll be doing some cleaning. I need to do some vacuuming, and then a little bit of trash out maybe if I have a lot of trash. So I'm going to do that cleaning after that. And then I'm going to finish my day checking my textbooks for next week. I have my textbook in my room, but I'm going to make sure that I have everything for spring semester. So I'm going to do that for my finishing my day. So not that busy, but it's kind of still have things to do, And again, today is Friday already, and next Monday is the first day of spring semester. So the winter break is almost done, right? So it's crazy, but time is flying. So all right, before I do the class work, I need to actually get some food. So let's go to the fairs again to get some food. So let's go together. All right, you can see that I'm walking to the campus center to get some food in the fairs and C-store. So the weather, it's a little warmer than a couple of days ago, but still cold. So I need to still be careful when I'm walking. There are icy roads, so yeah. Alright, I will see you guys soon. Alright, you can see that I'm in the Phil's and C store. I'm getting my drinks, Zero Coke again. Here we go, and then let me get my containers for my food to bring it to my room. And then I need to get some sauce. I think I'm gonna get a fair sauce again. That's one of my favorite sauce here, so there you go. There we go. That should be enough. Then I'm gonna put this in my container. Yeah. Alright, I will wait for my foods, and I will see you guys pretty soon. Right, here's my food for today. I got some nice cheeseburger and some french fries, and I also got Gel Coke, one of my favorite drinks. And I also got yogurt, so if I want to drink yogurt later, I can drink this. So, and as you know, I'm watching one of my favorite cartoon, Miso again. So alright, I'll get some food and see you guys soon. Alright, I just finished my lunch, and now you can see that I'm ready for taking my online course, Geology, final day. I'm going to review some lectures that I took yesterday, and then I'm going to do some lab and then exams after that. So almost done with this course, right? Alright, I'm going to see you guys later. I will do some classwork. Alright, I just finished my Geology course. I just need to do the exam, which is a final exam for this course, but I'm going to do that tomorrow because the deadline for that exam is tomorrow. And then I will, I want to study a little bit because this exam is a big one. So I'm going to study tonight and a little bit of tomorrow, and then I'm going to take the exam tomorrow, and then I'll be done with that course, right? So, and J-term too, so. Alright, now I need to go to the music building. I need to print something, and then, again, I need to organize the band room a little bit, so I'm going to do that right now. So, alright, let's walk to the music building. Alright, you can see that I'm in the music building. I just need to print my score for the auditioning for Wind Ensemble, which is on this Sunday. So let me do that quick. Here we go, print. Alright, the print is coming soon. And you can see that there's not a lot of people in the music office right now because, it's still break right now, so that makes sense. Alright, here's my score. I got some percussion music for the audition for wind band. I got every part, I think. There we go. I got drums. Then I do have timpani. There we go. And then the melody instrument too. Perfect. All right, now I can do some work. So I'll walk to the choir room and see you guys soon. All right, you can see that I'm in the choir room. I got my print music here for my band audition on Sunday. But again, as I mentioned, I need to move some music stands from band room to choir room because choir room has to have a 12 music stand, but looks like they have some missing. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they have only 10. So I need to grab 2 more music stands from band room. So let's walk together to the band room. And welcome to band room. So, oh my goodness, a lot of music stands, and I put my jacket here because I was organizing the band room a little bit, especially the percussion section. You can see it's much better. But let me grab these 2 music stands to the choir room. Here we go. Here's 2 stands. All right, let's go up to the choir room. And here I am back at the choir room with the 2 more stands, and now it will be total 12. So this should be ready to go. All right, let me put this here. Let me put this one here. All right, let me count again, make sure it's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. 12 stands in choir room. Amazing. All right, let's go down to the band room, and then let me close the band room so we can go back to the dorm. All right, see you guys soon. All right, I checked everything and then it's all good to go. So I'm gonna close this band room. Let me turn off the lights and close the door. All right. Sure, it's locked. There we go. All right. Now let's walk slowly to my room. So I'll see you guys in my room. All right, I just came back from music building, and then I changed it to my comfortable shirts because I was a little sweaty, and you know it's kind of warm in my room right now. I turned my heater so it's a little warm, so I changed to the lighter shirts. And now it's time to do some cleaning. I got my vacuum here. So all right, let's do some cleaning. Right, I'm eating my dinner right now, and then you can see that I got some noodles and got some rice and some other foods that I ordered here. So, and I'm watching one of my new cartoon. This is another Korean cartoon that I'm watching. So this cartoon is about the patissier, which is making cakes. It's amazing cartoon that is funny. So yeah. Alright, let me get some food and see you guys soon. Alright, I just finished my dinner, and the only thing that I need to do for today is checking, make sure I have art textbooks ready for this spring semester, which is starting next week, Monday. I have 2 classes that I need textbooks, which is a art class and music history class. So here's my textbook for my art class. I'm taking art and democracy class. I got the nice textbook here. And here's my notebooks for that, and then binders. So art class ready to go. And then I got another class which is music history 2. I got 2 textbooks that I need, which is a regular textbook and then the music score, which is the NOMS book. We call this as a NOMS book because NA WM, you know, you call it a NOMS book, so that's how we called it, so I like that. So all right, we got all ready for class next week, right? I got notebooks and binders for each class, good to go. And this is my church stuff, you know, I got a new music binder here, so yeah. All right, you can see that I'm definitely ready for the school semester. All right, you just saw that I was checking, you know, to make sure I got all my textbooks for my classes on spring semester, which is already starting next Monday, right? And yep, I got all my textbooks, and then I also got, you know, ready for getting our notebooks and binders for each class. So I'm definitely ready to go and ready to start for next spring semester, right? The only thing that I'll have for J-term for geology class is, you know, final exam, which is tomorrow. So I'm going to study a little bit tonight and then a little bit tomorrow, and then I'm going to finish my exam tomorrow, and that means I'll be all done with J-term course. So right, yay, it'll be all done. It was a lot of work to do, but also I really enjoyed learning about geology, right? Learning about rocks and minerals, you know, some fossils, you know, global warming, earthquakes, you know, that kind of stuff, right? So that was really fun course to learn about it. So yeah, I'm really glad that I took this course. You know, it's always fun course, right? So geology is definitely one course to take. So yeah, I love that. Right, I hope you enjoyed this winter break vlog, right? After this video, there'll be only one more winter break vlog left, which will be a Sunday. That will be about my daily life on the last day of the winter break, and then getting ready for semester, right? So my Sunday life will be a little busier, but you know, that makes sense. You know, I work at church for 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. mass. And then rest of my time will be getting ready for school semester. I'll be also doing some practice, you know, so I can get work with my, you know, music and playing. So that will be happening mostly on my Sundays. So alright, I'm gonna close this video. If you enjoy it, make sure you push the subscribe button, like button, and the notification button so you can notice them and upload new video every time, okay? Then I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful night, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.